Hey YouTube, this is a video of Kachooz Kachatz, and this is the Rockstar Alien one. I got this in the joblot with the fluffling, the pink fluffling I used to do in another video. There's not much to this one really. Not much to do. We'll have a go as we do it, so enjoy. Never do anything these or no. It's a random toy in it. There's definitely a tilt sensor inside it, so there's that. Yeah, it's called a Kachooz. You can see that's called a Kachooz. And this, I was called a Kachatz. And this one is Rockstar Alien, as I said before. I have no idea. Anyway, that's just a video of these Kachooz Kachatz. So yeah, click on YouTube. Bye. Bye. Bye.